Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, inside this today's video I want to show you an update of what have happened so far on our step index. Yesterday we make a video on this particular step index. As you can see, this is a downtrend price on this particular action. And I told you guys yesterday that I've already installed my indicator here. This is the trend that I follow, but I follow my mitigate and my breaker OB. So you can also get this indicator by joining our Telegram group, and you can get access to it, but it is not for free, guys. It is not for free. So this indicator does not reprint. So what you need to do is to look for your higher low and your lower low. Once you have your trend like what you are having here, a breaker OB at this particular area, you can see that we have another higher high here, and this one gives us another lower low. We have another higher higher. You can see on mitigated area here, but that is not what we are looking for. We are only looking for our breaker OB. So it has another lower low again. It gives us another higher high here, and at this particular area you can see that this is another breaker OB. And once we have our breaker OB at this particular junction, so we are going to wait and look for a mitigated area, and this particular give us a mitigated area before it turns to breaker OB. And once it give us a mitigated area here, level here, then we can easily go down to take our trade, because this particular trade will surely come to this particular breaker OB. So this is a particular area for us to enter for what? For sell entry, and it take our market on a downtrend. And once your price reach this particular breaker OB, then you can close your market. Imagine what you are going to be making from this particular area to this particular area. So once you have it, then the price come back again to this particular area, and this particular level change to breaker OB. So that is the first entry at this particular area. That is the first entry confirmation. Now let's keep on moving and see what's another. Now we have another mitigated level here, and we don't take that, because what we are always looking for is our breaker OB. So let's keep on moving. The price give us another higher high, and here it give us another lower low. You can see that this is mitigated level here, but we are not going to take it because we are only looking for our breaker OB. Now it give us another spike here, which give us a double top here, and now this particular level, now it give us a breaker OB. Now immediately the breaker OB appear, what you are going to be looking for after that is a mitigated level or unmitigated level. So now the price move again before giving us another mitigated level here. You can see it give us a mitigated level here, and before it turn to breaker OB, because when the price break it over, that is when it turn it to breaker OB. But before that price break it over, you can take your trade and you will surely be successful at that particular area. So this is another entry confirmation for us to take a sell entry. I have my own secret part code for this, and I have been using it. It has not been failed, guys. So you can see it take a downtrend, a massive downtrend up to this particular moment. This is another confirmation for you to take, and you can decide that when the trade reverse back to this particular level breaker OB, you can decide to take your market out of the world of the market. So that is it. You are making profit there. So now you can see this particular trend, this particular level turn to breaker OB. It turned to breaker OB. So once it turns to breaker OB, what you are going to be looking for next is your mitigated level or unmitigated level. You can see another unmitigated level here. You can see this is another confirmation for us that this particular breaker OB has give us a confirmation trend here. And you can see that this tells us that we are going on a up trend. You can see what happened here. The market come back and it go on a massive uptrend. That is how to use this perfect indicator, guys. So guys, to get this particular indicator is very simple. All what you just need to do is to join my Telegram group and you get access to it. But guys, this is not for free. It's only for serious people who are ready to make daily profits with market. So thanks, guys. See you guys in our next video.